Here is how to install an Oasis Typhoon, Part 1. Using your site-specific drawings from Oasis, lay out your transition box and wall bracket locations. Set up your laser level to mark, and chalk a line on each side of the bay. Make sure to chalk a line long enough to use for measuring all wall brackets. Using a tape measure, find the highest spot between the level line and the floor, the smallest measurement on the tape. That distance will be used to determine the placement of the wall brackets and transition box. After reviewing your site-specific drawings and having the wall brackets and transition box measured, you can start hanging wall brackets and cutting the hole for the transition box. Mark a 21-inch by 21-inch square for the transition box. Hammer drill all four corners of the transition box layout and saw between the holes. Next, chisel out the rest of the block. We can now start hanging wall brackets. There are two different wall brackets, straights and offsets. The offset wall brackets will go on the control side of the bay. Same side as the transition box. Start by drilling one of the bottom holes with a 1/2 inch hammer drill bit. Once one hole is drilled, go ahead and place the awl tread through the wall. Make sure the wall bracket is level before drilling the rest of the holes for each wall bracket. Once the wall brackets are level and holes drilled through the wall, start tightening all the wall brackets. One person will need to be on each side of the wall to sandwich the wall with the bracket and backup plates. Once all wall brackets are installed, you are now ready to start hanging the rails.